you can refer the previous codes or previous examples what you have written and what you have updated in your notebook. Use those codes, then you have to write. Here I have taken can you tell me how many p tags? Here I am using p tags. Okay, here how many p tags I have used? Can anyone tell me? Total number of p tags. 2, 1. Okay, so now I will tell you. Here I am using total number of p tags are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assume total p tags are 5, right? Here hi welcome to web class. In between you have to display a line. This is called horizontal line in between these two tags. And here in this, here I have making this one, this line is bold and this line is italic and this line is underlined. So basically you have to use p tag, then hr tag, then b tag, I tag, u tag. Okay, now I'll have to write body tag. In your notebook I'll have to write body tag. Inside the body tag start writing these codes. First you have to write p, then hi welcome, close the p tag, then immediately it is displaying horizontal line, so you have to use hr tag. Now same thing you have to write below codes, that is bold, how to display bold using b tag, and italics, that is I tag, underline, that is u tag, right? So I'll have to start writing a code, then after finishing let me know what you have written. Don't send in WhatsApp group, okay? Here only you will see. Is it clear, right, everyone? Kiran, Sujit. Because in next class onwards we will going to start JavaScript, right? To understand the JavaScript, before only we have to aware about these concepts. These all are very very important. Without knowing these tags in JavaScript we will not do anything. That's why I am taking to write a note or a code for these design. Over. Okay. Others? Yours over? Sujit, over. Sujit. Sujit. See, all of you. First we have to use p tag, then we have to write hi welcome, then close the p tag, then here you have to write the HR tag. This is HR. In this way you have to use HR tag, then BR tag and image tag. These all are single side code, single side tags. HR like this you have to use, right? Then for this is bold, you can use B, this is italics, you can use I, right? So this is a code to write this design. Is it clear, everyone? You have to use always like this, Kiran, a single line, single side coded tag. Yeah, this is closing and opening for the HR tag, horizontal line, it represents horizontal line. Now all of you go for this. Welcome to web. Then again you have to display in HR line on horizontal line. Then here display 1 second same subject using H tag or P tag, whatever you wish. You can use two tags, either H1 tag or P tag. Then you have to display the items in numbering wise, 1, 2, 3. For this, which tag you will take? To display 1, 2, 3 like this, which tag you will take? Yes? Yeah, order list. So OL tag you have to use. OL followed by web. To insert web, how will write? LI. LI, then web, close the LI. Like that you have to use. And color, see, color I am using here. So it is color display in background, right? So in body tag you have to write busy color. Which color it is? That color you have to write. Yes, any difficulties while writing this code? So first we have to display welcome to web. So use h tag h1 welcome to web, then close your h1 tag, then next you have to display hr, right? For that you have to use hr, then close the hr tag. Then next here you are displaying second sem subjects. Here you have to use p tag, p or h1 whatever it is. Okay, second sem subjects, then close the p tag. Now here you have to use ul tag, compulsory you have to use ol tag. Here you are displaying in order wise. So for that Kiran, see here ol tag, then to insert web that should be in list tag li, then here you have to write web, then close the li tag. Now again another subject is there, so li, then java, then close the li. Like this you have to write. Now finally you have to close the ol tag. Is it clear? Yes. This is single side coded tag, single side. here इसमें क्या होता है, टू साइडेड टैग हम नहीं यूज कर सकते. Okay, it is only one tag. That tag only we have to make it close. So we have to use slash after writing hr. This tag and the image tag, then br tag, we have to use a tag like this: image, br and hr. Okay. Okay. Now here I have displayed background color is blue. So for that you have to write here body bc color blue. You have to write like this. So I hope you understood this concept. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, now take this example. Here you have to display welcome to MCA, then use image name, display image, then image name I have already given, that is aitm.jpg. Here observe this carefully. Welcome to MCA, welcome to displaying normal, then MCA is displaying in which color? Red color. So which tag you have to use? Decide and write that tag, welcome to MCA. Use h1 tag. First you have to use h1 tag, welcome to MCA, but MCA it has to display in a color, only MCA, not welcome to, only MCA. So which tag you are going to use? Which tag? Span tag. Very good. Here you have to use a span tag. Four 4078, you have written this code wrong. Body, then you have closed body tag, then you have written busy color. This is completely wrong. 4078, please make a correction. Inside the body tag only you have to write busy, busy color, then blue. Now, any difficulties while writing this code? See the example how to display image. Refer the notes, you can get it easily. Simply and remember here image is displaying in center. Image is displaying in center. Welcome to MCA, use H1 tag. After writing H1, write welcome to. After writing to, here you have to use a span tag. Inside this span you have to write style is equal to color red, then close the double quotes, then write MCA, then close the span tag. Like that you have to write. Then to display image, first it is displaying in center, so first you have to use center tag. Center followed by image tag followed by source, that is src is equal to AITM, this image name, then close the image tag. Now here this we have to use like this. After writing the H1, see all of you once again, because these all are very important. So now H1, here we have to write welcome to, then here we have to use span tag, then followed by what? Style is equal to double quotes, color we are applying, that color name is red, then close the double quotes, then complete this angle bracket, then here you have to write MCA, then close span tag, then close the H1 tag. Like this you have to write. First one, that is span tag, right? Now image tag. Image is displaying in center, so here we have to use center image, center tag, then image source is equal to image name. Here you have to write image name, then you can use alt or you can no need to use alt, choice is yours. Here can't display I am using, then see here, use this symbol. All of you observe carefully. Close, then use the slash, then complete the angle bracket. This is image tag. BR, HR and image tag will always close like this. These all are single sided code or single sided tag. All of you observe this one, slash, then close the slash and angle bracket. Is it clear, everyone? See, once again I will tell, there are three types of single-sided tags. One is HR, opening and closing in same tag, HR tag. Then break tag, BR, opening and closing in same tag. Then similarly image tag, after writing here whatever image name and all those things, then close like this. So this is a way you have to use these single-sided tag. There is no separate opening HR and closing HR. No, in same tag only you have to make it opening and closing. So these you can call single-sided tags. I hope you understood this concept, right? Now next, take on this. Here you have to use which tag here? I don't know. Can anyone tell me which tag you are going to use? Amount, no need to write amount exactly, you can write any numbers. In displaying amount you can write anything, okay, but serial number and name should be proper. So here what are the changes you have to write? See, first you have to use table tag, right? In table tag, this is name list. How you are going to represent name list? Table name. So which tag you are going to use? Caption tag. Tab name is what? Caption. First you have to write table border. Here you have to make a display border, right? Table border. Give some size. Take example 5. Double quotes. Within a double quotes you have to write 5. Then after writing the table tag, then go for caption. 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 Then you write table name. Table name is what? Name list. Then close the caption tag. Then take TR tag. In TR, how many headings you are using? Serial number, name and amount. After writing TR, take TH. Yes, serial number, close the TH. Then TH, name, close the TH. Then TH, amount, close the TH. So first row is completed. Now take second row, that is TR. Here you are applying this in TD tag. TD, table data tag. TD 101, close. Then TD AAA, close. TD, write one amount like this. See, first this is a table tag here we are using. So first we have to write table tag, then we have to apply the border, because border should be displayed on your website. So for that, table, then border attribute, how much size you are displaying in border, that you have to mention. I am mentioning in 5. Then immediately here you have to take, to display the table name, here you have to use caption. Then what name you have to display, that you have to write name list. Then close the caption tag. So this is, you have displayed about table border and name list, right? Then after you have to take TR, table row, then here you have to write TH, TH means what? Table head. TH means table head. So what first column we have, that is serial number, then close the TH. Now again you have TH, then next table name we have, that is name, then close the TH, then again TH, then amount you have to write, then close the TH. Right? Now your first row is over, so close the first row using TR tag this way. So here we have written the display first row. Now to display the next row, here you have to use, that is TD tag, table data. What you are displaying here? One number. Then close the TD. Same way you have to use like this. So TD 101 over 102, not 102. Here you are displaying AAA, right? Now again use one more, that is amount. Here you have to display amount, you have to write 10,000, then close the TR. Like this you have to write. So row wise you have to insert your table data, row wise. Is it clear? Now all of you write a code for this. Here which tag you are using? Can anyone guess? Obviously you can guess. Here you are using frame set tag, frame tag. So to use a frame tag, compulsory you have to use a tag what? Frame set. Then next attribute name is what? Here I am displaying in column wise or row wise? Anyone tell me? Column wise? Yeah, column wise. Then you have to take attribute name COLS, columns, COLS is equal to double quotes, then give the size. First frame has 20%, then second frame has 40%, like that you have to give. But what you are giving, it should be addition of 100%. It should be addition of 100%. See, like that you have to give size. After completing the frame set, then here you have to display 3 pages. How many pages? 3 pages. That you have to add frame src tag. Frame src is equal to post.html, then frame src second.html, then frame src third.html. like that you have to write. Then close the frame set tag. So this is a way to use frame set tag. All of you write down first. Taking, right? This is another frame set taken. Okay. Now take this email, password, student status. Here you are using select tag, select control. Undergraduate, postgraduate. You have to use 2 options, undergraduate and postgraduate. Then you use action button, submit, and reset also you have to add. Take this. This one is password box. Now again take this, screenshot all of you, take this, and today evening only you have to write. Taken this slide. Okay, this one. And this one, 3. Okay, here columns you have to take, and here you have to take rows, row wise. Okay, and here see email. To write email, which box you are going to use? Text box or password box? To write email, text box. Okay, then here make a correction here. Student status, you have to add 2 points. One is undergraduate, another one is postgraduate, right? This is which tab, which control? Select control. Which tab it is? Select control you have to use.